So I will say shift A, mesh, okay, and I go to a queue, right? Okay, so this one, right? Okay, let's try and give it a color. Okay, fine. Now let's say shift A and insert another cube. It's in that, so you say escape G and bring it out. Okay, fine. Let's give this a color. Okay, yeah, fine. Now what we can do is we will start inserting. We'll move this and then we'll move this one. Okay, so I'll click on the object at hand because this is the one I want to animate. So I will insert a keyframe. I will put I. Okay, I will just say location. We'll just work with location first. So I'll say location. Okay, now I want it to move at time at a timeline of 29. At 29 where I want it to be is here. Okay, and I will say I location, right? Okay, now let me come to this, right? So this one will move to 49. Okay, here. Okay, and I will say insert I location this. All right, let's see what happens. Okay, let's see. And this end, right, that's there here at 250, I will just make it 60. Okay, fine. So now let's check what happens. What is happening is only the red one is moving, the other one is not moving. Okay, so what do I do?